Now, this is the classical exponential equation in which you have to mandatory using logarithmic. What kind? Standard, of course. You apply logarithm on both sides. One more time, you apply property 7. You allow us put exponent in the front. 1 minus 6. You know, it's a binomial. Therefore, you put a parenthesis because it's multiplied by logarithm of 4 over 3. Noise. Who make noise? Who make a noise? Who make a noise? Who make a noise? Who make a noise? Oh, let me see. Oh, guest user. Okay, guest user, put in mute. Okay. Okay. Now, exactly the same we are doing in the right hand side. I put X out in the front. Logarithm of y. Everyone follow me so far? Do you understand that step? Well, the rest is super easy. It's algebra. You multiply logarithm of 4/3 times 1, logarithm of 4/3 times negative x. This is logarithm 4/3 minus x times logarithm 4/3 is equal to x times logarithm of 5. See, I want to solve for x. I need to put the term that contains x in the same side. So, for example, logarithm 4/3 stay here in the left, and the right hand side stay x logarithm of 5 plus x logarithm of 4/3. Because I bring x minus like a positive, no, to the right hand side. Now, condensing this logarithm only one. No, condensing, no, sorry. Factorization. You factor out x is logarithm of 5 plus logarithm of 4/3. Okay, you divide both sides by this number, que es logarithm of 5 plus logarithm of 4/3, both sides, logarithm of 5 plus logarithm of 4/3. Because my goal is that this part cancel out and stay alive only x. So we have in the left hand side logarithm of 4 over 3 divided by logarithm of 5 plus logarithm of 4/3. I do not recommend putting a calculator like that. I appreciate so much that you are doing using only 2 logarithms, one on the top and one on the bottom is the property number 5. You apply here, yeah, I know that the addition plus is become like a multiplication, no? The logarithm of, you multiply 5 times 4/3, it's obvious it's 20 over 3. Okay, and this is the thing I try to put in the calculator. Of course, I get no exact answers, approximate answer using 4 decimal place. Okay, guys, I need help. Using the calculator, you put log 4/3, 4 divided by 3, close the parenthesis, division, another logarithm, 20 divided by 3. Okay, I get the answer, but I need to hear your answer. And remember, round in 4 decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Come on, opinion. Participation. Come on. Everyone have calculator, I suppose, no? Nobody. Wow. You are in holiday, no?
Is it 0.1516?
You're right. You're right, miss. She said 0.1516 because the next digit is 4 and you truncate that. Finals. Beautiful. Any question? Do you understand very well this or no? No? Are you lost? Too complicated for you? It's okay? Come on, guy. Answer me. I understand. I follow you. Okay.
I understand. You can keep on going.
Okay, super. That's exactly what I want to hear. Okay, let's move on to the question 16, no? I guess so, 16. 16. Okay, 16 is a little bit more complicated because it's 2 raised to the 2x plus 2 raised to the x minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, in this case, this equation is equation quadratic in front. Quadratic in front. Remember, it's equation that contains, for example, one expression like that.
Excuse me, sir.
Go ahead.
Clifford Holmes is trying to join our session, but it's not letting him join ours. Is there some way you can help him out?
No, I cannot. I suppose que es internet issue. It's beyond my possibilities. Pero no, okay. I suppose que he received the link. Only click on the link and that's it. I cannot do anything. Sometimes, depending on the internet connection for any student, sometimes have problem, no? Could you send your... Go ahead. I'm here. I am in the middle of the lecture. What happened? Okay, keep going, guys. Entonces, I say que this equation is quadratic in front. How do you know que es quadratic in front? Because this expression is similar to this expression, except que this is a square, right? That is the reason que I apply substitution, like I use substitution. This is classical in algebra. You declare u equal to the x. And when you transform the equation using the new auxiliary variable que u, this is u, but this is u squared. Now this equation is super easy. Everyone knows how to solve that. Maybe quadratic formula or by factorization. What do you think? Quadratic formula or factorization? What do you think? Quadratic formula or factorization? I need to make a decision. What's the best and fast?
Factorization.
Factorization. Do you know what is the combination or no? What are the two numbers que multiply each other? Give me 12.
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Yeah, you're right. 3 and 4. Plus 4 and minus 3. Good. Very good. The one solution is u plus 4 equals 0. Is equal u equal minus 4.
Yeah.
And u minus 3 equals 0. It's obvious it's positive 3. Excellent. Okay, now the negative solution never know. But in this case, it doesn't work because the exponential never is negative. You know that. And u3 maybe, yes. And you finish this problem solving the last exponential equation, that is 2 to the x equal to u, que u is equal to 3. Okay, now you apply logarithm on both sides. Why not? Logarithm on both sides. One more time, you apply the property sign, que allow me put exponent in the front. Okay. And finally, divided by logarithm to both sides. Okay, now my answer is log of 3 divided by logarithm 2. Okay, this is the exact answer. However, I know very well that this is irrational number. Irrational, remember, the number that have infinity decimal, non-repeated. And this is completely useless in the application for the word problem. No, we need a number, no? Suppose que es money or es something to say I need the money and number, no logarithms 3, no. So you put in the calculator. In this case, if no indicate in the question, you round off to 4 decimal place. And you put logarithm 3, close the parenthesis, divided by logarithm of 2. Simple. I did that. I need help. This is approximately, somebody help me. Come on, 4 decimal place. Come on. Help me, Junior. Help me, Melanie. Help me, Daniel. Help me, Zeus. Help me, Mason. Help me, Kadir. Help me, Jonathan. Help me, Trinity. Go ahead.
Junior here. 1.5. 1.584.
84. Continue, keep going because I need 4 decimal place.
9.
9. And what is the next digit after the 9?
6.
Entonces you want to round here to the 4 decimal place, and this number is greater than or equal 5, you increasing this in 1, no?
Yeah. 1.850.
50. Excellent. This is the answer. Any question? No problema. Okay, 17 now. 17 now. 17. One more thing I think I do not explain very well. The final test is optional and the final test is multiple choice. You don't need to show me where. You select the option A, B, C, D. And that's it. It's for healthy students. So you need help. Si you fail or you are missing one test, so you take advantage of this opportunity. 17 is logarithm. It's a logarithm equation now. Logarithm base 4 of x minus 7 plus logarithm base 4 of x minus 7 again. Wow, repetition, the same, equal 1. Okay, remember the strategy is always the same. You have several logarithms and you condense it in only one. And this only one is logarithm of base 4 of the multiplication because you're using the property number 5. Entonces, like x minus 7 times itself, que es square, equal 1. Okay? Everyone follow me so far? Multiplication. This guy times this guy. You can foil it if you want, but no, I suppose que no. Much better leave it like that. Now you convert to exponential. Statement. The base is 4. Get this number, the base, I know. Exponent is 1. But when the exponent 1 is invisible, I don't need to write. Equal x minus 7 squared. And this is my new equation, que actually is exponential, but actually is not exponential because the exponent is 1, and this is quadratic equation. And the fantastic way for solving this is apply square root method, no? Square root both sides, x minus 7 without square and square root, and square root 4 is plus or minus 2. Don't forget the plus or minus sign. Therefore, what is that? Karina. Wow. I love you. Okay, entonces es 7 plus or minus 2. Entonces 7 plus 2 is 9. And 7 minus 2 is 5. Pero mandatory in this kind of equation, you have to check in into the original equation to verify it's true or not. So I need to see in the test number 4 on paper when you solve in the logarithm equation, you check in the logarithm equation. Now let's check it for 9. You say logarithm of base 4 of 9 minus 7 plus logarithm of base 4 of 9 minus 7 should be 1. I'm not sure that this statement is true or false. Well, 9 minus 7 is 2. This is easy. Well, you compute, no, always you compute several. You condensing only one. So this is logarithm base 4 of the multiplication. 2 times 2, oh, it's 4. It's a coincident. Yeah, I know the property number 2 que say que logarithm of the any base of a, when they are perfect coincidence between the base number and the number inside the argument is 1. Therefore, this is super true, and the solution is good. 9 is perfect. What about 5? 5 is not good. Why no? Because when you substitution here, 5, look, 5 minus 7 is negative 2. And look, negative 2 inside the logarithm argument is totally undefined. Logarithm only accept positive numbers. No 0, no negative. Therefore, 5 doesn't work. Any question? Any question? Logarithm equation we are doing. Any question? Clear? Confusing? Totally lost? Yes, user.
Clear.
Excellent. Let's move on to the 18. 18 now. Guys, sorry, I am doing faster because I review, no? I suppose I dedicate the time in the official lecture, in the regular lecture, to explain this idea, no? This is just review. 18 is, wow, look at that new thing. Logarithm of x plus 3 is equal 1 minus logarithm of x. And again, solve for x, the question say. But I saw something weird. There are no specification, the number here in the base. When this situation happens, what is the interpretation of this? When the base is missing, what do you suppose is the base? Answer me. Answer me. Answer me. You need to be aware for this situation because I promise in the test you can see that situation.
2.
2, no.
10.
10. Excellent. 10. Remember, this is a standard. Okay, base 2 is non-standard. Base 3 is non-standard. The only standard que we have is 10 and E, que es natural o common. Entonces hay default, no discussion. I know que the base is 10. Okay? Entonces we start. Okay, what should I do? The professor explained me que the first thing you should do in any logarithm equation is condensing. Oh, pero to condensing that logarithm, we need both in the same side. So I move minus logarithm x to the other side like a plus. Logarithm x equal 1. Okay, now ready. Ready to condense it one more time, apply property number 5. It's a logarithm of multiplication. Multiplication of what? This expression is x times x plus 3. And this is a new expression inside the argument of the logarithm, equal 1. Okay, crucial moment to conversion to exponential. I know that the base is 10. Look, the base is 10. The exponent is 1, but 1 is invisible. It's equal x times x plus 3. And this is my new equation. Okay, actually, it's no exponential, it's quadratic equation. Multiplication this and this, x squared plus 3x. Let me try to manipulate in order to express it in standard. X squared plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Super. What do you recommend me? Quadratic formula or factorization? Opinion. Quadratic formula? Quadratic formula or factorization? You let me know. I do in the way factor because you see the combination, mister. Okay, remember my recommendation is when you see 5 and 2, very well, 5 and 2, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 minus 2 is 3, plus 5 minus 2. One solution is x plus 5 equals 0 and negative 5. Another solution is x minus 2 equals to 0, positive 2. It's obvious that negative 5 doesn't work, because when you plug in negative 5 here, look at that, in the original negative number inside the logarithm, negative 5, only 5. Entonces maybe let me prove que 2 works. I need to prove, so you don't prove, no full credit in this question. Exponential, no. Exponential is nice. Never happened a straight no solution. However, logarithm, yes, because I know that the domain of the logarithm is not all real number, it's only the positive number. No zero, no negative. Only positive. So I need to prove somehow the logarithm of 2 plus 3 should be equal to 1 minus logarithm of 2. This is the proof. Question mark. I claim that. 2 plus 3 is 5. It's equal to 1 minus logarithm of 2. Okay. Bueno, similar idea. I move logarithm of 2 to the left, plus logarithm of 2. And one more time, you apply property 5, que help me to condensing in only one. The logarithm of 5 times 2 que is 10. And this statement is true or false? What do you think? Remember the property 2 one more time. Logarithm of the any base, and when the number is the same, is 1. In this case, I know that default, the base here is invisible 10. And 10 is 1. True. Therefore, the solution 2 is perfect. Clear or confusing? It's obvious that if you don't know something, you put it in the calculator, and that's it. So there are two possibilities, by hand or calculator. Well, by hand is good, but when it's easy. But sometimes it's not easy, so it's impossible to do by hand, and we are doing with the calculator. Okay, let's do the last one, que es 19. Problem. 19. Okay, it's a little bit more complicated. It's logarithmic of 2x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus logarithmic of x minus 2. One more time, you see, entonces I notice que es important to remember that when the base is missing, it's because it's 10, no? Okay, we see in the review 2 examples. Because in the test, you expect something similar to this. Okay, but I need to condense it. To condense it, I need to express both logarithms in the same side. This state here, bring down minus logarithm x minus 2 equal 1. Entonces in this case, you apply property 6, no 5, because it's minus. When it's minus, it's division. So you apply logarithm of division. Division what? 2x plus 1 in the top, que es the positive guy, and x minus 2 in the bottom, que es the negative guy, equal 1. Done. Okay, now I convert this statement, que es logarithm statement, to exponential. It's the same procedure. Okay, it's always the same. Moving the logarithm to the same side, condensing using the proper property, maybe property 5 or property 6, depending if it's addition or subtraction. Now convert to exponential. The base I know que es 10, This is missing. I understand the exponent is 1. And 1 you know is invisible. Is equal to the rest, que es 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. And this is my equation. And this equation is linear, super easy. You apply cross multiplication. 10 is a whole number. So the denominator is 1, 10 multiplied by that. And 1 multiplied by this, 2x plus 1. You distribute here 10x minus 20 equal to x plus 1. Okay, entonces 10x stay here minus 2x equal 1 plus 20. This is 8. X equal 21 divided by 8 both sides. The answer is weird, but it's the answer. It's correct. Well, it's correct. No, I need to check it. It's x equal 21 over 8. This is my potential solution. I need the verification and the original. I'm going to predict no, checking if this answer is correct or incorrect. You're plugging in. But it's weird because it's fraction. But don't worry, use a calculator if you want. Logarithm of 2 times, replace x for 21 over 8, 21 over 8 plus 1. I need to prove somehow, claim, que 1 plus logarithm of 21 over 8 minus 2. I need to prove that. Okay, it's easy. Don't worry. Let's do it. In this case, I can see, wow, 2 and 8 is simplification a little bit. Divided by 2, 1, divided by 2 is 4. So actually, we have, let me put it here down, auxiliary calculation. 21 over 4 plus 1. Well, 1 is a whole number. You can interpret it if you want like a 4 over 4, no? In order to find LCD, que es 4, 21 plus 4 is 25 over 4. Okay, so far we have logarithm of 25 over 4 and the left. And the right, you have 1 plus something. Logarithm of 21 over 8 minus 2. 2 is 2, 1, okay, 2 I have no idea. 2 is 2 over 1, this common denominator is obvious, is 8. And between 8 and 1, this is 21, exactly the same. And this is 8 times 2, 16. That is a 5 over 8. That's the logarithm of 5 over 8. I need to prove that this statement is true. Well, let's do it. Let's do our best. Well, similar idea that we are using in the equation. I try to condensing that logarithm because always it's easy to see in only one, not two logarithms separately. Okay, you subtracting a logarithm of 5 over 8. Should be 1. I move that. And one more time you apply property 6, que allow us condensing these two logarithms in only one, que is the division 25 over 4 at the top and 5 over 8 at the bottom. Equal 1. Now division fraction is easy. Division fraction is 25 over 4 times a over 5. Flip it. The second fraction in the denominator. Reduce. Divided by 4, 1. Divided by 4, 2. Divided by 5, 1. Divided by 5, 5. Because 5 times 5 is 25. We have 5 times 2, 10. Over 1, it's just 10. Basically, this division is 10. So you have logarithm of 10 is equal to 1. This statement is true or false? We see before it's true, right? This is the beauty of this. Therefore, the solution 21 over 8 is perfect. Any question? I do the fraction part by hand, but no. You put in the calculators if you want. in any calculator is acceptable fraction. Any question, guys? At least that's it for the test 4. Let me try to explain the time we have, because yeah, we have time to do the final test. Oh, I don't know if it's complete or no. I don't care. The final test 2004-2020. Okay, it's a little bit numerical. It's not the same number, but it's the same objective of the guy saying today get 2021 for 2021, no? Okay, it's super easy, super easy. You, okay, this is 2020. Look, let me see at least the first page. Okay, the first problem say, look, y to the 4th power plus 4y to the 2nd power minus 12 equals 0. Okay, this is a quadratic and from equation similar to the thing we are using in the test number 1. And remember, you declare the auxiliary variable u equal y squared. Entonces now we have 0 is equal minus 12. This is for u, and this is u squared. And it's a quadratic equation que I suppose que we can do by factorization, no? Okay, in this case is, what is the combination in this case, guys? Two numbers can multiply each other. Give me 12, and somehow when you add it, subtraction is 4. Are you there? Or you are sleeping? Are you here or no? Come on, Vanessa, Joseph, Keonia, Roy. A ver, go ahead. No using the chat. Hello.
I'm here.
What do you say?
I'm here.
No, I know, but what is the number?
6 and 2.
6 and 2, you're right.
Yes, sir.
Entonces this guy is positive and this guy is negative, no? The 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. One solution is negative 6. Another solution is positive. But remember, this is not the answer. You see in the option C, minus 6 and 2. No. This is u value. I need the y value. The u substitution this 1 by 1 in this. So y squared is equal minus 6. And y squared equal 2. Because the u value here is 6 or 2. Okay, ready. This is easy quadratic equation. This is easy quadratic equation. You apply square root both sides. Y alone is equal plus or minus I radical 6. Remember, it's a negative inside the radical. It's imaginary. Here, no, it's a real. It's plus or minus radical 2. We have 4 solutions. It's obvious. We expect that because the degree of this equation is 4. Polynomial equation degree 4, we expect 4 solutions. Entonces, plus or minus I suppose que es B. Everyone follow me? Is it easy or no? Is it easy or no? Okay, I try to help. You yeah, okay, no chat, because I don't see the chat. Yes. I don't see the chat. Okay, let's do a number 2. Number 2 is similar. Number 2 is 2y minus 7 squared plus 9, 2y minus 7 plus 18 equal to 0. We can expand this. We can combine letters. It's too long process However, in my opinion, no, it's easier in that way. You one more time, you see u is equal to y minus 7 because 2y minus 7 is repeated here and here. 1 degree 1 and 1 degree 2. Entonces, typical quadratic form. Entonces, now you rewrite 0 is equal 18 plus 9u plus u squared. And this is my new equation. This is my new equation que is possible again by factorization, no? You see that this problem is easy. Not necessary quadratic formula. The combination is 6 and 3. No? 6 times 3, 18. 6 plus 3 and 9 plus. Both plus. So one solution is -6. Another solution is -3. And this is the answer. No, of course, no, because I need to find the y value. And how you find the y value? Using this substitution expression. 2y minus 7 is equal -6. It's one possibility. And 2y minus 7 equal -3. And you solve it separately to a linear equation. This is 2y. 2y is equal -6 plus 7, que es positive 1. 2y is 1 divided by 2, 1/2. Is my first solution. My second solution is 2y is equal -3 plus 7, que is 4. Positive 4 divided by 2, y2. The solution is 2.5, positive both, no? Wow, look at that. It's the option C. Okay, 1/2 positive and positive. What's going on? You put some comment in the chat or no? In the chat, no, don't use in the chat because I don't see the chat. Follow me, okay. Good. Okay, not bad. You think it's easy? So don't hesitate. If you want to improve your grade, take the final and send me. So I do next Monday at midnight. So we have no more lecture. So next week, no lecture. So no email with the Sky Tuesday and Thursday. No, don't. That's it. Okay. Let's do a number 3. Somebody say something? Let me see in the chat. Activate the microphone. No comment. Okay. The question number 3 is obvious. Que es radical equation. Remember chapter 1, radical equation. Square root 2x plus 8 equal x plus 4. Okay, how you solve that? Well, step number 1, isolate the radical. Entonces, square root 2x is equal x plus 4 minus 8. And move 8 to the right. So we combine like term. It's x minus 4. Now square both sides. And when you square is 2x. And here be careful. Is FOIL. Is x squared minus 4x minus 4x again plus 16. So we combine and manipulate. It's obvious that this is quadratic equation. This is x squared. This is minus ax. This is 2x can bring to the right hand side like a minus 2 plus 10 plus 16, sorry. And this is state 0. So it's x squared minus 10x plus 16 equal to 0. And one more time, this problem is easy in the final. Always we can do that using factorization, no? And the combination is a and 2, no? A and 2, a and 2, a and 2, a times 2, 16, a plus 2, 10, negative of, equals 0, x minus a is 0, indicate x is equal positive 8, and x minus 2 equals 0, indicate x is 2. And always you have to checking. Right calculation mandatory checking. Because sometimes the potential solution doesn't work. You need to check it for 8. Square root 2 times 8 plus 8 is equal to 8 plus 4. I need to check in this statement. Claim that. Likewise, square root 2 times 2 for 2 and 8 plus 8 should be equal 2 plus 4. 2 times 8 is 16. This guy is 16 and square root 16 is 4. Es obvio que es true. Therefore, the solution A is super good. No. And what about 2? 2 times 2 is 4, and square root 4 is 2, and 2 plus 8 never is equal to 2 plus 4. Completely false. Therefore, x equals 2 doesn't work, and the only solution that we have is 8. Okay, it's this guy. A big. Look at that. Here, over there. Boom. 8. Okay. Okay. You follow me? Okay, it's easy, the final test, I promise. It's good to take if you want to improve. As you don't need to improve, no. When you compute the overall grade by yourself, guys, I highly recommend that you check in the blackboard. See, you have some discrepancy. You say you believe. You send me one test. I never received. You don't see any grades because I never received. I never received because sometimes the Miami-Dade College have a strictly security of the email, and some email I send directly to the jump. No inbox, you know, in the jump. O sea que it's garbage. Because I don't see that. So you resend me, and yeah, great. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the second page. Second page in 2020. 2020, second page. Look at that. Oh, easy. I like that. Exponential equation. Exponential equation. Okay, question 4 is about exponential equation. This is x. This is 5 to the minus x is equal 1 over 625. It's easy. Because I know that 625 is 5 to the 4th power. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 again, 3 times is 125, and 125 times 5 again is 625. And you can write this like a 1 over 5 to the 4th power is equal, by the way, 5 to the minus 4 because it's the reciprocal. Therefore, if the base is the same and the exponent is the same, so x is equal to positive 4 because negative x is negative 4, x is positive 4, exactly like option B. Good. Number 5, super easy. E to the x equal 10. So for x. It's obvious we cannot do it that way. You need to apply logarithmic. What kind of logarithm? Well, I suppose that the best logarithmic matching perfect with this is natural. You apply natural logarithm of e to the x is equal to natural logarithm of 10. And you apply one more time the property 7 que allow us put the x here in the front. Okay. Now I know okay, logarithm of e is 1. Because it's the same property too, look. But in this case, property 2 say logarithm of the any base of the same number is 1. But in this case, I know that ln is equivalent to say logarithm base e. This is e, and this is e is always 1. And this is just x equal natural logarithm of 10. And you put in your own calculator, that's it. Because they want approximate answer, I suppose, no? Let me see. Yeah, es decimal. Es decimal. Entonces el logaritmo, natural logaritmo, no común, natural logarithm of 10 is 2.30. Approximately, you know. 2.3, they truncate to the small place. Look, the answer is this. Everyone follow me? Sure? Okay. Okay. Okay, next is easy. It's a logarithmic equation. Similar to the thing we're doing now. But it's easy because, look, you have logarithm of 2 plus x minus logarithm of x minus 3 is equal logarithm of 3. In this case, we have 3 logarithms. But I want to condense in this and this in only one. So basically, logarithm of 2 plus x divided by x minus 3. Because we are using the property number 6, when there's subtraction, is equal logarithm of 3. Entonces no necessarily in this case convert to exponential, because I know if you have the same logarithm and the base is the same, it's because the argument or expression inside is the same. And immediately you convert to the another equation, que is no exponential, no logarithmic. And you solve it up. It's a linear equation. Apply cross multiplication. You multiply 2 plus x times 1 and 3 times x minus 3. 2 plus x is equal to 3x minus 9. Well. 2 stay here plus 9 is equal to 3x minus x. This is 11 and this is 2. Divided by 2. X is equal to 11 over 2. I have no idea if it's good or not. Well, yes, it's in decimal. 11 over 2 is 5.5. Is this answer? Boom. Okay, you put in the calculator, 11 divided by 2, decimal, 5.5. Super good. Sorry, guys, I'm doing too fast. But I suppose you know that. It's only refresh your memory on topic we cover throughout the semester. No? And I suppose you don't know. You know. Sorry, perfectly. Okay, I remember something when I solving this. This equation, when I solving another semester, have problem. Okay, it's not good. So doesn't match the answer with this. In this case, suppose it happen. You put the correct answer. Okay, I don't know if they're doing intentionally or not. It's absolute value b minus 5 minus 2 greater than 9. This is inequality using absolute value. That's easy. Remember, you solve for the absolute value expression. So it's 9 plus 2 is 11. Actually, entonces my inequality is b minus 5 greater than 11, no? And remember, you divide in 2 pieces because it's greater than. One piece is b minus 5 greater than 11 or b minus 5 less than negative 11. Because I know that this equation have 2 intervals. Okay, it's completely disjoint separately. Let's see how you separate. Well, and this is the rule, no? Entonces b is greater than 11 plus 5 is 16. And this is B less than minus 11 plus 5, que es 6. Minus 6. So you visualize this in the number line. Wait, and the number line. Look, this is our famous number line. All real number, infinity positive, infinity negative. 16, I suppose que here, 16. And negative 6, I suppose que here, because 0 is just in the middle here. Okay, entonces this is greater than 16, es this interval. No incluye 16, entonces es paréntesis. And less than negative 6 is in that direction. No include, of course, no, negative 6. Entonces, my answer in interval notation is from negative infinity, comma negative 6, union, the other interval gets 16, comma infinity. Let me check it. I know perfectly because this answer is correct. Yeah, I have no idea. See, we have or no. Yeah. It's SB. Sorry, SB. FB. Okay, FB. Do you remember that or no? Any question? Do you want to explain one detail or no? No detail? No? No detail? Elvia is okay. Silvana is okay. Emily is okay. Roy is okay.
It's yes.
Good. I know. It's okay for us, guys. Okay, let's go to the next page. Wow, it's easy to find out. And also multiple choice. When you don't know something, you guess it. And remember the formula to compute the overall grade that you can do by yourself. Overall grade is you adding you summation, any test. Test 1 online, test 1 on paper. And this information is clear in the blackboard. Bam, and test 4 online and on paper. Divided by 8. This is classical average. Classical average. Plus, if you want to improve, take the final.
I do have a question about my grade.
You what do you say?
I have a question about my grade.
You have a question about what?
My grade.
Okay. You email me. Okay, this is not the moment to discussing particular situation. The student can have problem. Email me, professor. What is the reason? Entonces I explain, or I try to explain, or I try to solve it. Okay. The thing is, do you understand the formula? And this formula, suppose that you don't know anything and you get 0 in the final. So you stay the same, doesn't affect your overall grade. So suppose that you have 85. When you compute the formula here, you have 85. 85 is B. See, B is okay for you. Don't take the final. See, it's okay. See, it's not okay, take the final. Okay? Okay. Please appreciate so much.
I know, but I'm missing my test 3 that I know I sent, but it says I have a 0.
Well, you send me, you say, or you don't?
I did send you my test 3.
Entonces now, please resend.
Okay.
Resend as soon as possible.
Okay.
The same thing happened to me, Professor.
Okay, sorry. I realize that some email is missing because the secure, maybe you using not your student email, you're using your own private email. Entonces, now the outlook of the Miami-Dade College speaking. Entonces, no, I don't like this. I regret this email. So I never see. For me, it's easy. You put your name, taka, 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 yeah, I see your test. Not here, it's because you don't say. So you resend, but resend, please appreciate so much that you are doing from the Miami-Dade College student email. It's better, right? It's safe. Okay. One more thing. Let's doing something more. We are doing the final test of fall 2020. Number 8 is nonlinear inequality. Similar the thing we are doing in the test number 3. Polynomial. So you write like that: x squared minus 2x minus 8 less than or equal to 0. And factorization is SXX 4 and 2, because 4 times 2 is 8, 4 minus 2 is 2, minus 4 plus 2. Okay, and leave it like that. This is my inequality. I have to solve it. How? Determine the critical value. Critical value is when you convert temporary this inequality to equation. Entonces you solve this. F4. Sorry. Is x equal 4. And x plus 2 equals 0 is negative 2. And this is the critical value. And the critical value help me to make a partition of the all real number line. Look, all real number line. Okay, we have all real number line. We have positive 4 and negative 2. Partition. And you take testing point in each interval. We have actually 2 partitions, 3 intervals. You take, for example, one in the middle here, maybe 0 is good. One in the middle here is negative 3, or negative 4, or negative 5, and here 5, 6, 7, 11. Whatever. So now the table associated with this idea is testing point, is the red one, is minus 3, is 0, is 5, and the factor in our polynomial is x minus 4 and x plus 2. And don't forget the extra column is the total. I suppose you remember very well this, no? Well, negative 3 and negative. Here plugging in, negative 3 here is negative, and negative together is positive. 0 is negative, 0 is positive, therefore is negative. 5 is positive, and 5 is positive, and positive is positive. Actually, the solution is, look at the original inequality. The solution is when this is less than or equals 0. Okay, this is equivalent to be negative. Actually, the only testing point that passed the test is 0, this guy. Also, my interval solution is this interval in which belong to the testing point that says the truth. And included the endpoint, of course, included because this inequality is a combination equation and inequality. Therefore, the endpoint belongs to the solution. That's what the final answer. The final answer is, sorry, bracket, carajo, bracket. This is a bracket, okay, bracket in yellow, bracket and bracket. The answer is bracket negative 2, comma, 4 bracket. In interval notation, I don't know exactly in the way that they want. Yes, they want interval notation. es negative 2. Okay, la de option A. Bam. I suppose you remember very well this part, no? Or no? You don't remember? Or you remember? Remember or don't remember? You remember? Everyone remember? Clifford? Halls?
Yes.
Somebody say that you have problem to get login today?
Yeah, it took me like 20 minutes, but I'm here.
Wow. Why? But you received the link, right?
Yeah, it just wouldn't let me join. I don't know why. I had to do it from my mother's phone.
Okay. Okay. Are you clear everything? No? Are you clear? What is the case plan at the beginning? No? Today.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Today do the 4 online and on paper. Next Monday is do the final. I suppose you don't need today final. No? You get 8.
No, I don't think so.
Super. You're good students.
Thank you.
Okay, let's move on to number 9 question. Number 9 question is easy. Wow, look at that. It's only expand like that. We have write the expression as a sum of differences. Okay, no problem, I understand. It's logarithm by 3 of the one expression gets x7, y8, divided by 9. Everything. Well, you apply the property number 5 and 6 together, no? And 7. Actually, it's logarithm by 3 of x and 7 in the front plus a logarithm by 3 of y minus, because in the denominator, logarithm by 3 of 9. I don't know why they leave it like that. 7 minus plus FB again, no? B. FB, no? Or B or SC? No, SC. 7 positive, 8 positive, and 9 negative. SC. Option C. This is super easy. We are doing 1 second. These questions. Okay, let's move on to number 10. Number 10 is composition. Composition always is confusing, but no, because it's F composition G. Evaluate and 2. This is equivalent to say, you evaluate first, so the innermost function is G. You plug it into the G. And this result, you plug it into the F. So G evaluate into, who is G? Well, G is minus 8x squared plus 5x plus 3. And you evaluate in 2. And minus 8, 2 squared 4, plus 5 times 2 gets 10, plus 3. This is 32, negative 32, plus 10, plus 3. This and this together is negative 22, no? Negative 22 plus 3 is negative 19, I guess so, no? Negative 19. Let me check it on my calculator. Yeah, I suppose. Negative 22 plus 3. Negative 19. And negative 19, you substitution in F now. Is F evaluate and negative 19 is negative 5 times negative 19 minus 7. Wow, a lot of negative. But it's okay. Negative times negative is positive. 19 times negative 5 is 95. And 95 minus 7, I put in the calculator, of course, 88. 88 is the answer. Okay, corresponding with the option C. Boom. Any question? Super clear or super confusing? Clear?
Yes, this is great.
I know.
Clear.
I know. Okay, I am doing final exam, department, final exam 2024, and now you are doing 21. It's the current years. Okay, we did that, now this. Okay, wow, it's easy. Okay, one function is given, f of x is equal 1/2 x plus 7. And they want that you find the inverse. Remember, inverse is easy. You replace, you substitution, you change f of x for y. And you interchange x and y in this equation. Now x is equal 1/2 y plus 7. And like that, no, because I need to solve for y. So you write the inverse in explicit form. So you're subtracting 7. In order to isolate, you multiply both sides by 2. Because 1/2 times 2 is 1. So 2x minus 14 equal y. And this new y is the inverse function. It's exactly day 1. 2x minus 14, like you see. Super good or super bad? Easy, eh? The question number 12 is a parabola. It's a quadratic function. Entonces, the quadratic function, they want to find vertex. Remember, this is the function, quadratic function. 4x squared plus 16x plus 13. This is A is 4, B is 16, and C is 13. And this parabola is obvious that when the A is positive, open up. I need to find this famous point, vertex. What is the equation for the vertex? H is minus B over 2A. It's the famous equation. S minus B, que is 16, divided by 2, A is 4. Entonces es negative 2, ¿no? Because this is negative 16 divided by A es negative 2. H es negative 2. Entonces negative 2 comma something. Bueno, si es negative 2 comma something, you don't need to find more because the only option you have in the first component x, negative 2 is A. But just in case, let's do it quickly. So you want to find the k value, you plug in negative 2 into the original equation. Okay, k is 4 negative 2 squared plus 16 times negative 2 plus 13. Negative 2 squared is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Minus, this is 32 plus 13. And 32 minus 16 is negative 16. And negative 16 plus 13 is minus 3. So actually, this point is the point negative 2, comma negative 3. It's exactly the same we select option A. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, one more and that's it. And the rest you try to do by yourself. Okay, well, let's circle. Okay, it's easy. It's exactly the same we discussing in the test number 2. I remember very well. You complete the square. But it's easy. Well, it's easy. It's easy because actually somebody do the job. Okay, it's x squared. Look, minus 12x plus 36 plus y squared minus ay plus 16 equal 81. Wow, what the hell? It's easy. Look at that. This trinomial is perfect square. Because the factorization of this guy is x minus 6 squared, correct? Because 6 times 6 is 36, and 6 plus 6 is 12. Likewise, this guy is also perfect square, but y minus 4. And what comes from this 4? Square root 16. 4 times 4, 16. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus here. Equal 81. And we compare this equation and the standard equation for the circle. And what they want? They want center and radio. Okay, no problem. H is 6 positive, K is 4. The center is located at the point 6,4. And the radio, well, it's a square root 81, is the number in the right hand side, is r squared. Therefore, the radio alone is square root 81, que es 9. So it's 6,4 and radio 9. Boom. Final answer. Okay, guys, stop. The rest is up to you. Remember, I close everything next Tuesday. Next Tuesday, I grade everything. I put everything in the blackboard, and also I put the final overall grade in Miami-Dade College homepage. And you see, not immediately, of course. This is some delayed to be official. But I don't want, this is the crucial moment. See, I forgot something, you're lost. Okay, this is the moment to complete. You don't complete, sorry. Okay, after it's more complicated, you need to communicate with the chairperson. Chairperson send me a official document. I need to fit. No. I want to avoid any document. So this is a moment to finish. You have one missing test. Okay, and the online, no. Online is today is do everything. And on paper I can fix it. Online, no. Online is history. Online today at midnight is the due day. End the story. Are you clear? Let me